basically replacing the Manchester Children's Hospital and the other couple of hospitals next door to it to form one big hospital in the centre of Manchester.
One of the major problems in hospitals is the requirement for operating theatres, which have very stringent requirements for vibration, and by using flat slab construction we could meet those requirements.
This particular building is worth £240 million. Should be complete at the end of 2010.
It's a multi-million-pound contract for Heyrod construction. It's reinforced concrete columns and slabs, and it's on various levels from ground to some areas 7 floors.
The overall contract value to us in this first phase is 12 million. The overall projected value for our works alone is probably mid-30s. So it's a very big part of our business.
There's something like 3,000 tonnes of Bamtec to go down here over the next year or so. It's been a very, very good project for both Hy-ten and Heyrod, in as much as the project is ideally suited to the use of Bamtec with very large rolls, giving Heyrod the maximum advantage in fixing speed and time savings.
McDonald have actually designed all of the slabs themselves using finite element analysis, and then Bamtec have used our basic layout drawings and produced detailed drawings based upon those which have been used in the construction process.
We're delivering an integrated system where we've taken a design from the engineer and converted that into the best possible use of steel in the slab.
The benefit of this product is that clearly it's not as dependent on labour, which is a scarce resource in today's market, but it does give a quicker rollout system in terms of laying, of course. There are other benefits in terms of health and safety.
It's the first project I've been on where they've actually used this system. It works well, and there seems to be far fewer steel fixes than you would have on a normal job.
We can get the Bamtec here and get a slab down within 2 or 3 days, really, as opposed to normally 4 or 5 days with ordinary loose fix.
Whilst the product is dearer in terms of its base material costs, there are clearly benefits in reduction of the overall labour values and costs associated with it. That enables you to actually move your floors quicker.
The speed of the construction, actually laying it and getting cycles faster, are a lot better for us, and the detailing of the drawings means that you're not standing over the job too long. You just basically look at a mat on the drawing and drop it down and roll it out.
You could lay an area in probably 2 or 3 times as quick as loose steel, and you don't have the problem of looking for loose steel and finding it out of a bundle and getting a few bars up at a time. This way you just have the big roll and you get it in place all in one go.
The use of Bamtec here is really giving Heyrod an advantage in cycle time and to help ensure that they finish the job on programme.